Checking your banking app shouldn't give you a panic attack. But for millions of people, it does. Every single time. You look at the number. Your chest tightens. You feel behind. You feel like you're failing, even if you're doing okay. It's called money dysmorphia, and it's everywhere right now. A new report just confirmed what a lot of us already felt. Even people making six figures feel broke, not because they are broke, but because their perception of money is completely warped. Social media is a big part of the problem. You scroll through posts of vacations, cars, apartments, lifestyles. Everyone looks richer than you. Everyone seems ahead. But you're comparing your bank account to someone else's highlight reel, and that comparison is making you feel like a failure even when you're not. Here's the truth. Your feelings about money are not the same as your actual financial situation. You might be doing better than you think. You just can't see it through the anxiety. So how do you fix it? You stop guessing and start grounding yourself in real numbers. Step 1. Calculate your actual net worth, not your income, not your balance right now. Your net worth, what you own minus what you owe. Add up your savings, investments, retirement accounts, property, then subtract your debts, credit cards, loans, whatever you owe. That number is your starting point, not your feelings, the facts, black and white. Most people have never done this. They have no idea where they actually stand, and that uncertainty fuels the anxiety. Step 2. Find your idle cash. Look at your accounts. Is there money sitting somewhere earning nothing? A checking account with more than you need for monthly expenses? Move it. Put it in a high-yield savings account. Make your money work for you instead of just sitting there. This isn't about being greedy. It's about being smart. Idle cash is wasted opportunity. Step 3. Automate the save first discipline. When your paycheck hits, savings should move first. Before you pay bills, before you spend, before you even see it. Set up an automatic transfer, even $20. The amount doesn't matter as much as the habit. When saving happens automatically, you stop relying on willpower. You stop feeling guilty. You build wealth in the background while you live your life. The Finance Reset Toolkit walks you through all 3 steps. Calculate your net worth. Find idle cash. Automate your savings. It swaps abstract anxiety for real clarity. You see your numbers in black and white. You know exactly where you stand. And most people who do this realize something surprising. They're doing better than they thought. The dysmorphia was lying to them. Stop letting feelings run your finances. Start grounding yourself in facts. Link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.